Alright, we've just hooked up to something big. Oh, come on baby, come on, just at least give us a look at you. Oh, it's huge, whatever it is. Doesn't want to come up. Yeah. Yeah, it's moving. No, stay back, stay back. Stay back. Please stay back. It is big, whatever it is big. Yeah, I need someone to take that. Watch out, it might all come apart. Come here baby, come on. It's just heavy as hell, but it's got plenty of fight. You reckon? I'm trying mate, I'm trying. Just give me plenty of space boys. He's just sitting head down. He doesn't want to come up. Oh man, that's got some power. I'm only running 15. 15. Come on baby. Come on, show me. Yeah, all I want to do is see what it is. Oh God. Oh. Oh. I can see my leader. He should be just here. Oh, you're joking. Oh man, what a disappointment. Yeah, I jagged him. Oh, that was a little bit of excitement. Hey, Rayman. Yeah. Yeah, that would have been awesome. Yeah, it jagged him. Oh, that is a massive big ray. Oh yeah. At least it's good fun. It's the most action I've had all morning. Oi, shark float just went under. Yep. Oh, I love the flex in the rod. Yeah, see where I jagged him? Yeah, yep. I don't know. That's a decent size. I'm not. That's what's going to happen every time I get him to the top. I'm just going to have to cut him. I'll snap me off, end up snapping me bloody rod. Oi, and you reckon this leader won't hold? Nah, I'm not interested. Nah, I get him off and I want to get a Dewey or a mangrove jack or something on. Yeah, I'm trying to find my knife. Yeah, but I want to cut close to the mouth so I'm not losing all my leader. I don't know what, I'm not fucking don't care about the grub. He's gonna run again in a second. Close you can, quick. That'll it. Alright, I'm done. Not too bad. Paddletail. Slim Swim Z. Look at that, look at that. Every freaking time we catch a flathead, the hook just falls out of it. That's crazy. For a flatty, for a bloody. So a bad one. Little dusky, probably about 40, 45. Yep. Oh, yep. Got you that time. Oh, yeah! Yeah! No idea. Tarpon, I think. Yeah, tarpon. Tarpon! That's why they're so hard to hook, mate. Come here, bastard, come here. Yeah, I know. Oh! Come on, keep the hooks in. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah! Woo! Another one off the bucket list. Woohoo! That is awesome. Yeah, buddy. Look at that for a beautiful little tarpon. How you doing? Woo! That is awesome. Absolutely devastated my plastic. Same one I got the flatty on. Oh, that is beautiful.